Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain the problems given in yesterday 31st January second shift. Yesterday second shift problems. So very few problems I am going to do explain. So these are very easy problems out of 30 problems. So definitely you can solve 10 to 12 problems. They are very easy. Such type of problem it is. So just a board level problem. Okay. So he is asking the coefficient of x power minus 6 in the expansion of 4x by 5 minus 5 by 2x square whole to the power of 9 is. Okay, so here you can take the general students will do take a general term and x to the power of something will come, that something is equal to minus 6, then you can find out r. So no need of that much risk. There is a short trick method is there, so I will tell you how to find out the r value. Okay now. So let us see the solution. I am telling the short trick here. If your binomial is of the form ax to the power of p plus b by cx to the power of q whole to the power of n. So if your binomial is of the form, otherwise if it is not in the form, you make it into in this form. Here in the x to the power of 5, here denominator x to the power of q. In this expansion, if you want to find out x to the power of k coefficient, so the term containing x to the power of k, if you want to find out the term containing x to the power of k, let the term be r plus 1, then r is given by r is equal to n into p. See here, n into p, np minus x to the power of k minus k by p plus q. Okay. So if you take r is equal to this value, then r plus 1, in that term you will get x to the power of k. So okay. So in this also let us find out r value. Here n is equal to 9 pq. So 9 into 1 minus k value is equal to how much? Minus 6. Minus of minus 6 plus 6 by p plus q. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 9 plus 6, 25, 15, sorry, 9 plus 6, 15 by 3, 5. Understand? So therefore, tr plus 1 term contains x power minus 6. Tr plus 1, that means t6. T6th term contains x power minus 6. Now find out t6th term. So 6th term is equal to, so in that binomial 9c5 4 by 5 whole to the power of 9c5 9 minus 5 4 into minus 5 by 2 whole to the power of 5. Of course you will get x power minus 6 obviously. Therefore this is the coefficient. This is given by 5040. Calculate that. So 9c5 value, calculate 4. So here 4 to the power of 4. That means 2 square. 2 4 side. 2 power 8 by 2 power 5. Like that, minus to the power of 5 minus will come. So 5 to the power of 4 by 5 to the, in the numerator 5 will come. So easy to calculate that value. So this is the minus 5040 will come. Very easy. So understand this short trick method. I hope that you understand this short trick method. Okay now. So let us move to next problem. Welcome to the second problem. So this is from conic section hyperbola. If the foci of a hyperbola are 1 plus root 2 comma 0 and 1 minus root 2 comma 0 and its eccentricity is given as root 2, clearly the eccentricity is a root 2, then its lattice rectum is. Okay now. So then how to find out its lattice rectum? Okay. So if you want to find out the lattice rectum, so you want to find out a value, b value, compulsory. Then how to do this solution? See here. So we know the foci of the hyperbola is given. What is the distance between the foci? 2ae. 2ae is equal to, what is the distance between them? So calculate the distance between them. So this is ss dash is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Clearly it is a 1 minus root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 whole square. So this is equal to minus 2 root 2 whole square. That means 2 root 2 whole square. This is a 2 root 2. So this is a 2 root 2. Distance between the foci is equal to, as per the formula, this is a 2AE. So according to that calculation, we got 2 root 2. So here any more cancellations? Clearly we can cancel 2 we can cancel. So A into, already eccentricity is given, root 2 is equal to, so this is a root 2. Understand? So eccentricity is root 2 and the root 2 we got, A is equal to 1. Observe here, whenever it is eccentricity is given root 2, it is a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular, immediately one thought should come in your mind. So for rectangular hyperbola, eccentricity is equal to root 2. And moreover, for rectangular hyperbola, what is the rectangular hyperbola definition? A is equal to B. Therefore, B value is also 1. So A value 1, B value is also 1. How can you say it is a rectangular hyperbola? Eccentricity is root 2. Okay now. So A value you know, B value you know. The length of the lattice rectum is equal to 2A square by B. Therefore, 2 is your final answer. A value 1, B value 1. The length of the lattice rectum is 2. Okay now. Very easy problem. The thing what you have to remember, whenever it is eccentricity is root 2 is given. So immediately it is a rectangular hyperbola. So a rectangular hyperbola, A value, B value same. And the second thing is distance between the foci is 2AE. So I have find out the distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 means 0, 0. 1 plus root 2, 1 minus root 2. The distance is 2 root 2. We can directly say. Okay, now right. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here is asked to find out the range of x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 8x plus 2. So where x belongs to real numbers. So this is also would have given x is a real number. Then how to find out the range of x? Range means what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value of that expression. Okay now. So very easy to solve. This is a completely a board value. So let that expression be y is equal to. Understand this? So we have to find out the range of y. So for a given x value, so if you go on substituting in x value, so the y value, what is the range? What is the minimum value that y will take and what is the maximum value that y will take? Okay na? So let us say that. So this is almost a board value, board type of problem. Take a cross multiplication. So this is a yx square minus 8yxy plus 12y minus x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation in 1, y minus 1 x square minus 8yx minus 2x. So this is equal to cross multiply 8y plus 2 into x plus 12y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 8yx minus 2x plus 12y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in x and here x takes real values, real roots. Therefore, this has the roots, real roots. So when it is a real roots are there, we know the discriminant, that is a delta should be greater than or equal to 0. What is delta? B square minus 4ac. What is b square means? This is minus will go 8y plus 2 whole square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. That's why. So we will get a quadratic inequality in y. So we will solve that quadratic inequality. So how to do this? Here only we have to save the time, our time. So here don't expansion a plus b whole square. Let us see here. You can take 2 common outside. So when you are taking 2 common outside, 2 square 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So this will be your 4y plus 1 whole square into y minus 1, 12y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So a plus b whole square expansion. Here you have taken a 2 common outside. 2 means 2 4s are 2 2s are right. So this is equal to 16y square. So this is a 8y plus 1. So multiply inside y into 12y minus 12y square, y into minus 1 minus y, already minus is there, plus y minus 1 into 12y minus 12y plus 12y. So minus into minus plus this minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So 16y square minus 12y square. So this is equal to 4y square. Okay now. So here any more cancel, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancel. 8y plus y, 9y, 9y plus 12. 9 plus 12, 21y. 21y greater than or equal to 0. So don't cancel y. So therefore you can take y common outside. 4y plus 21 greater than or equal to 0. Now let us take the number line. So it is 0. This is a minus 21 by 4. So since it is a greater than or equal to 0, the roots will be outside of the minus 21 by 4 and comma 0. Therefore the range of y is minus infinity to union 0 to plus infinity. Okay now? Right. I hope that you, very easy problem this is. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this fourth problem. Now we have to find out the value of I minus 1 upon cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. So in the denominator it is a very clear. So cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. We can write down pi by 3 means 60. Pi by 3 means cos 60 degrees we can write down. Okay, denominator is clear. Then numerator is also write it in the modulus amplitude form. Then how to convert modulus amplitude form? We know that. So minus 1 plus I is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay na? So we know that r is equal to root of a square plus b square, that is equal to root 2. Then how to find out cos theta? So cos theta is equal to, so we know that theta is equal to minus 1 plus I. Which quadrant it lies? Minus plus. So minus 1 plus 1. So this lies in which quadrant? X negative, y positive. X negative, y positive. So x negative, y positive means second quadrant. Okay na? Second quadrant, what is the amplitude? So amplitude in second quadrant is equal to, so in the first quadrant this is equal to tan inverse of b by a. So this side left hand side is equal to pi minus tan inverse of b by a. So theta value. Therefore theta is equal to pi means 180 degrees minus tan inverse of b by a. That means here we will avoid this one. Why? Because this is in the second quadrant. 1 by 1, 1. That is equal to 180 minus 45. That is equal to 135 degrees. 180 minus 45. Therefore theta is equal to 135 degrees. So therefore minus 1 plus I is equal to root 2 into cos 135 degrees plus I sin 135 degrees. So this is a root 2 into cis 135 degrees. Therefore the numerator is equal to root 2 cis 135 degrees. Denominator is equal to cis 60 degrees. This is equal to root 2 cis 135 minus 60, 75 degrees. So in your options it is given that cos 75 degrees plus I sin 75 degrees. Root 2 cos 75 plus I sin 75. So very easy problem. The only thing is writing I minus 1 in modulus amplitude form. So okay, so we're in the second quadrant, pi minus tan inverse of b by a. So that is its amplitude. Understand? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So here if 2n plus pn minus 1 is to 2n minus 1 pn is equal to 11 is to 21, then the value of n square plus n plus 15 is. On the whole, we have to find out n value. So very easy one. It is also a board level problem. So this is a ratios and proportions. We can know that. So this is equal to 21 into 2n plus 1 p n minus 1 is equal to 11 into 2n minus p n. That's all. So if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then AD is equal to BC. Okay, right. Then just finding n value only. That's all. If you find out n value, we can substitute here. Then how to find out? So direct formula 21 into, so 2n plus 1 factorial by npr, n factorial by n minus r factorial. That's all. So therefore n minus r, 2n plus 1, n minus 1, 2n minus n 1 minus of 1 plus 1, that means n plus 2 factorial is equal to 2n minus n 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2. So that is equal to 11 into 2n minus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 minus n, that is equal to n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Okay na? So solving n value only. Okay na? Let us take this is equal to 21 into, see here, so this is a 2n plus 1 into 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial. Okay now, so here denominator n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. So this is 11 into 2n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. So I applied this factorial property. So clearly 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial cancel, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial is cancel. Any more cancel as this n also we can cancel since n is not equal to 0. Any more cancellations? Nothing is cancelled. Okay, let us take the cross multiplication, 21 into 2. So see here after cancellations, let us see these values. See here 21 into 2n plus 1 into 2. So this is equal to 42, 2 into 21, 42 into 2n plus 1 is equal to 11 into n plus 2 into n plus 1. So this is equal to n square plus 3n plus 2. N square plus 3n plus 2. So let us multiply 42 inside and 11 also inside and bring it to one side. So this is equal to 11n square plus 33n plus 22. 11n square plus 33n plus 22. 42 into 2n. So how much this is a 84 minus 84n. Minus 84n. 42 into 1. 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 11n square. 33n, 33 minus 84. So 84 minus 33. So this is equal to 1. 8 minus 3, 5. So minus 51n. So this is equal to 42 minus 22. 42 minus 22. 0 to 20. Minus 20 is equal to 0. So 11n square minus 51n minus 20 is equal to 0. You can factorize this. So you will get n is equal to 5. One of the answer, n is equal to 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25 plus 20. 275. So 11 25s are also 275. So n is equal to 5. One more answer will be negative answer you will get. So n is equal to 5 we will get. Substitute n is equal to 5 in the given equation. N square 25 plus 5 plus 15. So this is equal to 45. 45 will be the final answer. Okay now. So very easy problem. Simply substituting the formula. Simply formula and very board level problem you got. Okay. So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So by seeing this problem, everybody will get somewhat tension, such a very big expression is given. So like that, so don't to worry. So very easy problem. That is, as x tends to infinity, we know that as x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0, 1 by x cube tends to 0, 1 by x square all tends to 0. Okay now, right. So the problem is limit x tends to infinity, root of 3x plus 1 whole to the power of 6 plus root of 3x minus 1 whole power 6 plus root of 3x plus 1 whole power 6 minus root of 3x minus 1 whole power 6 by x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus root of x square plus 1 whole power 6 into their x cube is there. Then how to do this type of problem? So very simple thing is, so if it is a it is given, so limit x tends to infinity. So this is a 3x plus 1 whole square means what? 1 by 2. 6 by 2, 3. So first of all, that is a 3. So this is a 3x minus 1 whole cube. That means 3. That also, first we convert like this. 2x plus 1, 3 whole cube minus 3x minus 1 whole power 3 whole cube into x cube divided by this, okay, as it is we write down. So this is equal to x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus root of x square plus 1 whole power 6. Okay, now, so this is equal to, then how to do this? Here, take 3 common outside. 3 common means what? 3 cube. So this is a 3 cube. 1 plus 1. So here if you take a x common outside, so what you will write here? If you take a x common outside, so here 1 by x will come. 3x cube. So if you take a 3x whole thing common outside, that is equal to 3 cube x cube plus 1 by, this is a 1 by x whole cube will come. 3 cube x cube 1 by x. Here also the same story. So this is a 3 cube x cube into 1 minus 1 by 3x whole cube. So now it will become 0. It is also will become 0. Okay, now. So here also the same thing. Here also the same thing. Here you can take a x common outside. X common outside means what? Here if you take x common outside, x power 6 will come. This is a 1 plus. Here x will come. Now here x square will come. X square has to come. That means 1 plus 1 by x square whole power 6. Total this will come. There also you will come. Here it is 0. Here also you will get 0. This is a 1 minus something whole power 6 you will get. Okay, 1 minus 0 whole power 6. Okay, now. So here x cube is there. Here also x cube is there. Here 1 x cube is there here into x cube. That means x power 6. In the numerator x power 6 will come. Denominator also x power 6 is there. So that x power 6, numerator x power 6, denominator here x power 6 is there. X cube. So this x cube, x power 6 will come outside. This x power 6 will cancel. Ultimately, what will be the final answer here? 3 cube. This will become 0. This also 3 cube by 1 plus. This is equal to 1 plus 1, this is a 0, 1 plus root 1, that means 2 power 6, 2 power 6. So this is a 1, so here x will come outside, no, 1 minus, so this is only 1, only 2 power 6 only will come. Understand? So this is equal to 3 cube, so this is also 1 minus 0, nothing will come, this is a, so 1 minus no, only this 0. So 3 cube plus, so there also there, one more bracket is also there. No? So this is a 3 cube plus 3 cube plus this is equal to 3 cube minus 3 cube by 3 cube. So this is 3 cube plus 3 cube. This also 3 cube minus 3 cube you will get. Okay, na? So denominator, so this is equal to 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 whole power 6, 1 minus 1 whole power 6, 1 minus 1. So this is a 3 cube plus 3 cube, 27 plus 27 by. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 power 6, 32. So this is a 54 by 32. 1 plus 1 to 2 power 6. 64, sorry, 64. So here 64, that is equal to 27 by 32. So 27 by 32 will be the final answer. Okay. So very easy bit. The only thing is taking common outside and doing the problem. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this problem is one of the peculiar problem. So very easy problem. If you should have a command over the concepts. If you have the command over the concept, the problem is very, very easy. See here, a bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Very clear. A vector is very clear. B vector is also I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. B vector is also very clear. C vector 5 I cap minus 3j cap plus 3k cap. So all A bar, B bar, C bar, all the three vectors are very, very clear. B3 vectors. Okay, it is given that, so this is the condition given. What is the condition given? R bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross C bar, and R bar dot A bar is equal to 0. Then 25 modulus of R bar whole square. Generally, students will start doing this problem like this. Like how? Let R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So if you start taking R bar is equal to like this and you start doing, it's a very, very difficult to get this solution. Okay. So don't start the problem like that. This is called general method, vague method. So we have to use the subject knowledge. Take the first given data. What is the first given data? R bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross C bar. Then what shall we do? Let us take B bar cross C bar also left hand side. So what happens? B bar minus B bar cross C bar is equal to, this is 0 bar. Right? We can take R bar as a common, B bar as a R bar cross B bar minus B bar cross C bar is equal to 0. This we can write it as a R bar minus C bar. Here R bar, otherwise we can write out like this. B bar R bar cross B bar minus B bar cross C bar. Otherwise you can take to B bar cross that side also. Otherwise we can take if you take so R bar cross B bar minus B bar cross C bar is equal to 0 bar. Otherwise you take this side. So this is equal to B bar cross C bar. We can write out like this. R bar cross B bar plus C bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. B bar cross C bar, I wrote C bar cross B bar. So this is equal to R bar plus C bar. R bar plus C bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay now? That means R bar plus C bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar means what? These two vectors are either coincide or parallel. That means this is if A bar and B bar, we can write down A bar is equal to a scalar multiple of another vector. So here also we can write it as a R bar plus C bar is equal to some lambda B bar. R bar plus C bar is equal to some lambda B bar, some constant. So from this R bar is equal to lambda B bar minus C bar. R bar is equal to lambda B bar minus C bar. We'll put it like this. So here, see the second data, R bar dot A bar is equal to 0, no? That's why do dot product with A bar on both sides. Let us see that. So this is a R bar dot, so you call it as what? R bar dot A bar is equal to lambda B bar dot A bar C bar dot A bar. Understand? Lambda B bar A bar minus C bar dot A bar. Now here already given R bar dot A bar is equal to how much? 0. So this is equal to 0 is equal to lambda B bar dot A bar minus C bar dot A bar. Therefore lambda is equal to C bar dot A bar by A bar dot B bar. Okay now? So let us find out the lambda value. Welcome back. So let us find out the lambda value. C bar dot A bar. See here, C bar dot A bar. 1 into 5. 5 minus 6 plus 9 divided by A bar dot B bar. 1 minus 2 plus 6. 1 minus 2 plus 6. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 minus 6, 8 by 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So therefore what is our lambda R value? R is equal to lambda. Lambda means 8 by 5 B bar means I bar minus 2J bar plus 2K bar minus C bar, that is equal to 5I bar minus 3J bar plus 3K cap. Of course, I am writing cap or bar, no problem. Okay now. So this is equal to R bar is equal to, so here 8 by 5 I bar minus 5IJ bar. So you write it as a 5 5s are 25. 8 minus 25, that is a minus 17 by 5 I cap. So this is a minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15 minus 16. Minus 16 plus 15 minus 1 by 5 J bar minus 16. 8 2s are minus 16, here minus minus plus 3 15 again. So 8 2s are 16 plus 16 here. So here minus 15. So minus, here minus 3 is there, minus 50. Minus 50. That means plus 1 by 5 J bar. Understand this? Right. So this is equal to modulus of R bar. Modulus of R bar is equal to how much? A root of, so this is 17, 17s are 289 plus 1 by 25. Understand? Let us take the, so he is asking to find out R square. R square is equal to 289. 289, 17, 17s are 289 plus 1, 289, 290 plus 291, I think. 291 by, of course, this is a root of, will come, root of A square plus B square plus C square by 25, root of 25 by root 91 by 25. So 25 modulus of R square is equal to 291. Let us check this value, 291 or 339, something 339 is also getting. So once you check, so therefore 25 modulus of R square is equal to, so this is the procedure of solving the problem. Okay now. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class. If you want, please comment and share my videos if you like it. So let us see in the next class.